Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew, and welcome to the Quest for Rose Hackathon. So today I'm joined by Jorge from the Oasis Foundation, and we're really going to dive into the Oasis network, the hackathon. We're going to talk about prizes, and also give you a brief overview of the kind of documentation and information that you might need to get started on the hackathon. So if you don't already know, the Oasis network is a layer one protocol. It's kind of like Ethereum or other layer one protocols where you can build smart contracts. You can run those smart contracts on the network, and you can run applications, all these kind of fun things. But what makes the Oasis network different than Ethereum is we separate consensus from compute. And really what that means is the consensus layer is made up of validator nodes, and it really kind of does all the blockchain stuff. So it writes things to the ledger, and it maintains this immutable record of things. All the stuff that kind of, when as an application developer, you're excited is there and you're happy is there, but you don't really want to worry about it. And then in the other layer, the compute layer, or what we call the paratime layer, we actually have many parallel runtimes or compute environments that can be custom designed to support a broad range of use cases. So today, we're excited to kind of focus in on two of those use cases. One of them is called the data tokenization paratime, and the other is called the Oasis ETH paratime. So Jorge, maybe you could briefly introduce yourself and kind of give us a rundown of what are these two paratimes, why do we pick them, and kind of what makes them special?
Sure. Hey everyone, my name is Jorge and I'm a product manager on the Oasis Foundation team. I'm really excited to have you join us for our hackathon today. And I'm really excited to also share with you the capabilities of the Oasis platform and its paratimes. Our first paratime, the data tokenization paratime, allows you to build privacy-first, responsible data applications, regardless of your programming background or experience. You can build applications using the TypeScript SDK called Parcel, and this allows you to give your users more control and ownership over their data. We also have the Oasis Ethereum paratime, which lets you build applications using Solidity as if you were building applications on Ethereum. The Oasis Ethereum paratime is backwards compatible with Ethereum, but actually faster and more scalable. So you can build any application that's possible on Ethereum, but with the advantages of Oasis.
Yeah, these are really cool. I mean, Parcel has been something that Oasis Labs has been working on for a long time. We've actually got it deployed and it's used by some of our enterprise partners, as well as recently Nebula Genomics, which is a direct-to-consumer genome company, announced that they were using Parcel and have actually integrated Parcel with their product to give users complete control and ownership of their genome data. So it's a great product if you really want to bring privacy and transparency to your application in a way that you haven't really been able to do before. And then, of course, the Oasis Ethereum paratime is super cool. There's a lot of fantastic dApps on Ethereum. We are really excited to see how that community's been growing. And so we're eager and interested to see with this hackathon what kind of apps and dApps are brought over from that community. So obviously, Jorge, paratimes are cool and all that, but what kind of prizes can I win if I build in this hackathon?
We have a lot of prizes for participants. We have two main bounties. One of them is focused on Parcel and the other one is focused on the Oasis Ethereum paratime. With our Protect the Rose challenge, we'll ask developers to build the best possible privacy-first responsible data app using Parcel for a chance to win prizes of $5,000, $3,000, and $1,000. We also have our second main challenge, which is called Bring the Rose to New Realms. And this challenge is about bringing the existing applications on Ethereum or building entirely new applications on the Oasis Ethereum paratime. And you can win prizes of $1,000 for a brand new application on the Oasis Ethereum paratime or $500 for the best port of an existing Ethereum application. We also have a special bonus prize for developers who are part of a university or affiliated with a university in some way. And all you have to do to qualify for that is to register with a .edu email address. And then we'll be able to pick out the best university affiliated team who has built either a Parcel application or an Oasis Ethereum paratime application. On top of those prizes, we also have additional prizes that will be given out to our winners, including swag from Oasis and other hackathon partners. We have cloud credits, and we have product discounts for products from our partners as well.
Very cool. I'm very eager to get in there. Maybe I'll build an app myself. I don't know, but those prizes sound pretty exciting. Maybe people can get a cool hat like mine. I don't know. We'll find out. um, cool. Who can I participate? Who can participate?
Yeah, anyone can participate. We actually want to make it as easy as possible for any developer to get involved, regardless of their previous programming experience or their background. We want to be able to enable developers who care about privacy to build applications with Parcel, and then anyone who already has experience with Solidity to come use the Oasis Ethereum paradigm to either build a new Ethereum application or port an existing one. All you have to do to win is complete our KYC process and make sure that you comply with the regulations of your local jurisdiction. Be sure to check out our official rules on our on our Gitcoin page for more information.
Very cool. Yeah, I mean, one of the things that really excites me about this hackathon and about Parcel and the Oasis ETH paradigm is they're designed for, not just blockchain developers. These are Ethereum has a robust tool chain that makes it easy to develop, and Parcel is really just a TypeScript SDK that you can integrate with your product. So really anyone, regardless of your background from a developer perspective, can build with these things. And so we're really eager to see who gets involved and also the kind of applications that we see built. All right, last thing. How do I dive in? How do I get started? Like, what do I need to join this hackathon and start building?
Yeah, it's really easy to get started. All of the key information you need is available on our Gitcoin page. You can go check that out. We'll post the link in the comments. And on that page, we'll have documentation both for building on Parcel, as well as documentation for building on the Oasis Ethereum paradigm. You can check out the Parcel documentation at docs.oasiscloud.io, and you can use the access code Parcel 2020 exclamation mark with a capital P. We'll also have documentation for the Oasis Ethereum paradigm, which is posted at oasiseth.org/developers. Our Gitcoin page also includes a bunch of ideas for any application that you might be interested in building. We have some ideas to get started for Parcel, as well as some ideas to get started on the Ethereum paradigm.
Very cool. So along the way, we've got a Telegram channel, which you guys can join. We've linked that in the comments. We've also got a Slack channel, which is a little bit more developer focused. So you can join that as well if you have questions. What else are we going to be doing, Jorge, to kind of help folks out and keep them up to speed on the hackathon?
We'll have some office hours for people who have any questions or tricky bugs that they're trying to figure out and would like to get live support. So we'll have those live office hours on a weekly basis on Zoom. And this will give you an opportunity to connect with Oasis engineers to answer those questions. And we'll also have some networking events as well as live tech talks if you're interested in learning more about some of the products and applications that our partners are building. And information for all of those events and the schedules will be posted on our Gitcoin page. So be sure to check that out on there.
Awesome. Yeah. So, excuse me. Yeah. So if you're interested in joining, we'd love to see you guys on there. So visit our Gitcoin page to sign up. We'll have links to other videos there as well. And I think probably the next two videos you should go watch. We've got one video on the Oasis ETH paradigm and how to build there. And that's featuring Michael from Second State. He's the CEO of Second State who built that paradigm. And then we've also got another video from Oasis Labs. Our PM Charlie dives into Parcel with one of our engineers, Nikhil, and they talk about how you can use it. They show you kind of a brief demo and really showcase how easy it is to integrate that with your product. So visit our Gitcoin page, sign up, and we look forward to seeing what you'll build. So thanks for joining.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining.
See you guys.